Hello friends, do you know one thing? Most of the language learners they do not afraid of English. They struggle with the pressure to be perfect. And in today's video I am going to share with you three amazing tips that will definitely help you out to become a fluent and confident English speaker. As far my personal experience is concerned, language fluency comes from consistent speaking, not from waiting until you are perfect. If you overanalyze each and every sentence before speaking, whether I am using simple past tense instead of present perfect tense, then you can't learn. You can't be fluent in it. So without wasting time, let me talk about tip number 1. The tip number 1 is know your why. Do you know one thing? Why most of the language learners they dream of speaking English every day, but they end up with nothing because their why, their purpose, their clarity is superficial. And few of the language learners they reach to their desired fluency because they have purpose, they know their path, they have clarity, right? If you have purpose, then it helps you as a driving force to keep you motivated, to stay focused and persistent even when challenging situations. I haven't mugged up anything. I am telling you the truth from my personal experience. I learned this language in just 3 months, to be honest. Do you know why? Because I had a clear-cut purpose. However, I live in a small village of Jharkhand. Then how do I speak without having any English speaking partner, without joining any expensive classes? Do you know why? Because I had purpose. So in today's video, the first tip is know your why. Why do you want to learn English language? Sometimes when you feel I want to give up, I feel demotivated, I don't see any result or outcome, then I can't learn anymore. At that situation, your why, your purpose keeps you energy. It saves you from giving up. Do you know why? Because it always reminds you that why had you started this language, right? In one sentence, I want to tell you the tip number 1 is purpose. Knowing your why is directly proportional to your desired fluency, your success. Give a specific time and start speaking from today onwards without taking pressure or putting pressure, without having self-doubt on yourself. Just go ahead. This is the tip number 1. Remember, don't forget to give a specific time with your purpose. Okay? Tip number 2 is surround yourself with fluent and confident English speaker. But I know one question must be coming to your mind. Do you know what? Sir, I live in a village or in my family members, nobody talks in English. Then how can I create an English environment so as to I can speak English fluently and confidently? Don't worry. This is digital era. Everything is possible. Well, what you can do is whenever you watch any Insta reel, any podcast, pranks, when you listen to any song, that must be only in English at least for a month. Believe me, It will definitely change your thinking, change your mindset, and everything. My favorite method used to be watching English American pranks. I learned so many phrases, expressions, slangs from there. But I want to suggest you personally, you can also learn so many abusive words from prank, but don't apply it in your daily life. Otherwise, you will sound silly. You will sound idiotic. Avoid all the negative words and speak in an elegant way so as to everybody would appreciate you, will encourage you to go ahead. Okay, my friend. Tip number third and last is practice speaking. Don't only consume passive contents like reading, listening, surrounding yourself with English videos all time. Don't do that. To become a fluent English speaker, you need to practice using your tongue, your mouth. You need to have daring inside, like a lion. Do not get afraid of anybody. You must not have fear of judgment. So whenever you see your mobile camera, love talking, love expressing yourself, whatever topic is going inside, whatever feelings you have, try to express yourself. Nobody is going to judge over there. It's your personal mobile phone, right? And other activity you can do is join any English platform. You can learn so many things from there for free. Join any English speaking application. Over there you can speak with strangers. If you will feel in tuned, if you will feel my wavelength is matching to him, then you can share your Insta and can talk as much as you both want. These are the techniques you need to follow to become a fluent speaker. First tip I say, know your why. Second, I say about consuming passive contents only in English. And finally, I shared with you about active practice. It's your turn. By watching or consuming only English content, you can't become a fluent English speaker. You need to take immediate action. You need to execute whatever you learned from this video. If you are truly a serious language learner, then drop a comment in the comment section, sir. I learned a little bit different from this video. And you can write over there, sir, I am becoming a confident English speaker, so as to you can feel motivated and start speaking from today onwards. If you really liked this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, because all the videos of this channel I try my best to design in such way so as to it can definitely be helpful for you to unlock your speaking hidden power, step by step. Thank you so much.